G'day everyone, this week's top trend print from Printables is still the Battle Droid kit card from last week. So today we go to Thingiverse and we have a print in place coat hanger. I'm super skeptical about this one, but let's give it a go. Now, seeing we've got the model from Thingiverse, we'll continue with the Ultimaker theme, and I've used CURA to slice the model, and all the details for the slice as usual are down in the description. So this is where a print in place should be really quick assembly. All I really should need to do is snap apart the parts that are holding the moving bits together, the hinges, any tabs that are holding the arms. In this model though, it was really strong. Trying to pry it apart with a screwdriver didn't really help too much. The tabs were really thick, so I couldn't really cut through with the blade and ended up snapping one of my blades. So I managed to get one of the arms detached, but then trying to spin that to get the hinge working just would not happen. It was really just a disaster all around trying to get this one to work. I snapped another blade in my knife. Eventually got it apart, but then I managed to snap the actual hanger hook. So I used a little bit of heat, stuck it back together, but it wasn't going to hold. So let's try again. This time I've printed with 30% infill, just so that it was a little bit stronger. And I've got a little trick up my sleeve. So I used the flat scraper to get apart those holes that go all the way through, which worked really well. And then I used a little bit of heat on a blade to kind of melt through the tabs rather than just try to cut, because they were so thick. I thought that would work a little better, and it did work better. So eventually I got the arms apart, but doing that final break of the hinge, it snapped completely and it was unrecoverable at that point. The actual hinge itself had kind of come apart a little bit and was very loose. So that's 10 hours of print time, 100 grams of filament in the recycle bucket. So if you've printed this one and you've been successful in breaking it apart, let me know in the comments how you managed to do it. I really don't want to leave it here, but for this week I'm out of time, so there'll definitely be a part 2 at some point, and I might even create my own design if I can't get this one to work. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.